Hi everybody, welcome to Mike's Garage. Got another question about Filter Queen. Looks like the videos are pretty popular. Hope we can answer all your questions. Send them in, don't forget to subscribe. The question I got lately was about what is this filter that came in the pack of the other filters? This is the motor guard. Now they want to know what it does and how to put it in, where it's located. So we're going to go to the workbench and I'm going to show you what to do with this motor guard filter. Here we go. Okay, now we've taken the top part out of the vacuum. We have it here on the workbench. The filter's under the cone support. It's under there and you have to take the knob off to get to it. So we're going to quickly undo that. Then we have to grab it and pull it off of the bottom, and that will expose the motor guard. Now it's a very simple filter. It has a snap ring on it, and that protects the motor from any dirt getting up if it gets past any of the filters. You get one of the edges of the old filter and pull it towards the middle, and the snap ring should release. And you want to keep the snap ring. We're going to reuse that. You have to remember that there's a high and a low edge on that snap ring. Now there's the high edge. We have to make sure that that goes under the tabs. Now there's 3 different tabs here that the snap ring has to go under. So we're going to have to force it in there and force the ring down. So what we do is we put the filter in place right over the hole. It's too big so it sticks out all over every edge. Tuck it in so it's easier to get the snap ring in. Put a little crease in it to make sure it's in. Now I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. Let's just force it in there. The higher tab goes down. I'm going to put it underneath of that tab, hold it there, and then work it all the way around until I get the filter pushed down and the snap ring under those 3 tabs. It can be a little stubborn. You have to work at it. See if you can get it in there. Like I say, keep working, tucking it in, push it down in place. It's got to be in there firm because you don't want any dirt to get past that. It will definitely shorten the life of the motor. And looks like we have everything tucked under there pretty good. Make sure it's under the 3 tabs. Hold it in place. Looks like we got it. Just a little double check here and make sure everything's there. Now the last thing we have to do is put the cone support back on. And we're all done. Put that on. Now the knob is just finger tight. Don't make it too tight. It just has to be firm so it'll seal against the gasket, and that's all there is to it. Hope that was helpful. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Tried to hit all the good points there. If you have any more questions, give us a call at the 800 number. It's right there. Don't forget to subscribe. I like getting the questions from you. Give me some comments and see what we want to do next. I'm really looking at tools that you should have around the house. If you have some questions about that, give me a comment down below and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.